Hello friends.
Welcome to Behavioral Finance Games that shows how your brain makes decisions in life and while investing.
Why are you picking the large cup?
Because I'm with my wife, I think about her.
He was just playing with my mind, bro.
Now this is a ये फंस गया है.
10 rupees?
10 rupees. Oh.
आज बहुत एक important lesson सीखने वाले हैं.
I can be honest. Actually हम लोग ऑलरेडी 2 घंटे से यहाँ पे घूम ही रहे थे.
क्योंकि कभी कभी जो रहता है वो होता नहीं है और कभी कभी जो होता है वो रहता नहीं है.
So these are not just snacks and games. They are a way into your mind.
And your money.
Yes.
Let's
go.
Alright friends, so today's experiment is about patience versus temptation.
We want to see what happens when you choose between an immediate reward or waiting for something better.
So bro, here's the deal. You can actually take a free juicy burger right now, or you will wait for some time in the same area and get burgers and fries together. So what will you choose?
I'd like to have burger right now.
Only burger?
Burger.
Only burger? Sure?
I'll choose burger.
Only burger?
How long I need to wait over here?
You'll have to wait for some time. Okay, and get burgers and fries together. You have already made your choice, right? Okay, great.
I will eat burger.
Only burger?
Yes.
Fries and burger.
Fries and burgers. We'll wait for some time.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So I'll wait and have burger and fries together.
Together? Okay, great. That's a great choice. Yeah.
I will take burger right now.
Only burger?
Yeah. No, bro. I don't want to wait. I'll have burger alone. Thank you, bro.
आणि त्याला तो वेट किती वेट?
Thank you, bro.
पण त्यांनी नाही दिलं तर आपल्याला विसरले तर
शुअर मिळणार कन्फर्म.
नाही तर बोलतील हम आपको भूल गए आप किधर गए थे थांबा इथेच.
He doesn't want to wait for the prize. May I ask you why, मेरे भाई? Patience राहुल में भी नहीं है. क्यों भाई? आप क्यों नहीं रुके प्राइज के लिए?
I don't want to wait, bro. That's the reason, mate.
You don't want to wait?
Yeah, I don't want to wait.
Instant gratification.
Basically, I need something very faster. I mostly don't want to wait.
Actually हम लोग ऑलरेडी 2 घंटे से यहाँ पे घूम ही रहे थे.
Like I have been waiting for 5-10 minutes here.
अच्छा.
So if I wait a little more, I'll be getting extra fries with my burger.
Amazing. Hunger has overpowered convenience, guys. A very great example set by JK over here. Burger से satisfied है. You don't want better returns, better rewards. So you would have gotten थोड़ा delayed rewards, but more better rewards, right?
It's tempting. French fries is my favorite.
She loves French fries, right?
Bro, what's the delay, bro?
JK, just for some time you have to wait, bro. Just some
I've
time.
been waiting for 15-20 minutes. So if I wait a little more, I'll be getting extra fries with my burger.
थोड़ा और रुकेंगे तो you will get you. If you wait for some more time, you will get your burger, bro.
No, man.
So actually you are getting a reward for waiting. That is a very good thing. Thank you so much, guys. Please have your burgers and fries.
We should tell you thank
Thank you so much, man. Let's go.
See, another classic example of instant gratification. He was not ready to wait for longer period of time. He waited for some time, but his patience took off at some point, and now he's walking away with just the burger, guys. So this is not just about food, it's about the psychology of money.
People often choose short-term joys over long-term gains.
Even in investing, people tend to act on short-term spikes.
Over long-term wealth accumulation.
At Bajaj Finserv Mutual Fund, we use InCube philosophy, where we layer financial insights with behavioral science to make rational investment decisions so that our funds perform better in the longer run.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.